Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It's well equipped with the features you need: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Ecotec 3 engine, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.